Here we are, Friday the 5th of June 2020, end of trading week. Review of my portfolio on my Trading 212 platform. The total value of the portfolio is £816.08. I invested £667.12. It's gone up £148.96, which represents 22.33%. So yes, it's done quite well over the 3-month period. So yes, I'll just quickly run through my investments. I've got Admiral Group. That's an insurance broker, UK based. They're up 11%. Alphabet owns Google, up 16%. Amazon, we all know Amazon, up 16%. Apple, we all know Apple, as I've mentioned before. I'm recording this on an iPhone and I've got my app on an iPhone, and they've gone up 18%. Aston Martin, oh dear, I think they've just laid off some workers now. They're not doing very well at all. That's a UK based luxury car manufacturer, down 72%. Berkshire Hathaway, that's Warren Buffett, as his portfolio shares fund that I have part share in. That's gone up 12%. Boeing, another oh dear one, down 17% with the 737 problems and the close down of the airline industry. BP, UK based oil exploration company and oil production company. They've got a presence all over the world, up 17%. Braemar Shipping, that's a company that is involved with the ship brokers. So if you want to hire a ship or whatever, they're up 20%. British Land, they're not doing too well, down 26%. They own office space in cities and they own shopping centres, and with the coronavirus shutdown, people are working from home and less likely to want to have office space, and shops are closed and having trouble getting rent in. Brookfield Renewables, the name says it all, renewables, renewable energy market, up 4%. Cairn Energy, that's a UK based oil company, up 47%. COCA-COLA leads, that needs no explanation, down 4%. DraftKings, that's a gaming company, I think American based, I think, gaming and such like, but I've done a particular video on them. All of these I think shares I've done a particular video on. They are up 18%. Enquest Oil Company, UK based oil company, up 42%. Ford Motor Co, surprisingly they're up 20%. I don't know why, because the motor trade with the coronavirus shutdown is on a bit of a downer. But anyway, yeah. Gulf Keystone, that's an oil exploration company, up 36%. Hunting, they make tools for oil exploration, they're up 15%. Haya, that's a Chinese based gaming company, up 2%. Inevo Pharmaceuticals, they manufacture vaccines and the like, up 43%. London Stock Exchange, that's the actual place where shares are traded in London, up 36%. MNG, that's a savings investment company, down 5%. Bit of a boring company, I think. Nordex, they're up 35%. Not quite sure what they are. Have a quick look. I couldn't remember what they are. What did they say? German-based holding company that, along with its subsidiaries, develops, manufactures and distributes wind power systems. I was in the renewable industry, which I think is an industry going places. Nordic American Tankers, they own Suezmax tankers. It's the largest size tanker that will pass through the Suez Canal, and with a glut of oil, these tankers are in demand and they rent them out. and up 64%. Pharos Energy, oil exploration company, UK based, up 32%. Premier Oil, oil-based UK-based company, oil company, up 77%. Rockhopper, oil company, UK-based, up 46%. Ryanair, it's an Irish low-cost airline that flies all over Europe. I think that's the largest low-cost airline that flies over Europe. I recently this week put £100 in, and they're up 10%. So I must have done something correct, but I'm not going to sell yet. I'm in for the long term, because I think when we get unlocked and the travel industry starts up again, hopefully they'll go up even further. Scientific Games, that's an American-based gaming and company. One thing they actually they actually own the slot machines in Las Vegas. At the moment, the lockdown, they're not being used, but I think the lockdown is being eased now, so they'll be back in use. So, and everyone likes to gamble, not everyone, but that's something that's not going to go away. Not necessarily a moral share to own, but anyway, I own some shares in them. They've gone up 2.75%. Solar Edge Technologies, they are connected with the solar panel industry. Renewables, up 37%. Telefonica, they own O2. They recently amalgamated with Virgin Media. They're up 11%. Tritag Big Box, UK-based company that owns large warehouses that the likes of Amazon use. They're down 2%. Tullow Oil, UK-based oil company, up 84%. Vanguard, that's a fund. Well, that's an instrument where it invests in. I'm not too sure on that one. Oh, it's all world. That invests in a range of all world stocks, and they're up 17%, which must reflect the movement of the world stocks. Virgin Galactic, that's a space tourism company where they're hoping to sort of take people up into space or on the edge of space. It's an interesting sort of buy, sort of a bit futuristic. Down 2%. Walt Disney, everyone knows Walt Disney, up 31%. Yamana gold exploration company. The price of the shares are sort of more or less directly connected with the price of gold. Gold has really gone up just lately, and the share value's gone up 34%. Zynga, that's a Chinese gaming company, and they're up 30%. So that's a list of all my stock holdings. And dividends, we can actually look at the dividends I've had. Total dividends since I've been investing is £2.14, which isn't a lot, but I've been investing 3 months. And I've had dividends in Tritag Big Box, COCA-COLA, Vanguard All World High Dividend Yielding Stocks. That's a fund that sort of tracks the value of stocks in all of the world. Apple, Tritag Big Box, Telefonica, London Stock Exchange, Telefonica again, I don't know why, Admiral Group, MNG, and MNG again. So as well as owning shares, you can make money in 2 ways: by the value of the shares increasing, and you get paid dividends. So you at least once a year, if a company does pay dividends, that's all subject to different factors. That's a bit more extra you can earn and goes into your pot. And when you've got enough, you can buy some more shares. I've got £2.14 here I've earned in dividends, so technically I could buy one or some shares in some sort of low value company, or buy a part share, or hang on and just increase my dividends and buy another share. So that's a little oversight of an overview of where I am today. We'll just have a look at one more thing before I go. Orders. This gives a date order of all the shares I bought, the date when I bought them and what I paid for them. and the number of shares. Like Scientific Games, £30.21, I bought 2 of those. That was yesterday. 1st of June, Ryanair, I bought 10 shares, paid £104. Amazon, I bought a fractional share, £15.81. Virgin Galactic, bought 1 share. DraftKings, bought 1 share. And if you tap on that, that gives you actually market buy filled, 16th of May, the time I bought it, 1 share. Yeah, so and the total I paid is 26.05. So yes, there's a lot of information here, but I did start off with just a review of my portfolio for the week. I'm quite pleased the way things are going, and I've got some more ideas of shares what I'm going to invest in, and other things I'm going to do. So please subscribe and keep watching. Until next time, I bid you a goodbye.